Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus 3rd generation MK3. This one will be generation 2012 to 2018 guys. And if you have heated seats and you're trying to find the fuse for your heated seats, we'll show you where to locate the fuse guys. You have two fuses, the front left and front right heated seats, they use different fuses. So please guys, subscribe to the channel. We have more than 200 videos on these cars, so you'll mean a lot to us guys, and our mission is to save you as much money as we can by providing free videos to you guys and teach you how to fix your car. So the fuses that we need to check now, they're actually located in the trunk of your vehicle. They're not under the hood, they're not behind the glove box. You have a third fuse box which is located in the trunk. Does not matter if you have a hatchback or sedan. The procedure practically is the same. So once you open the trunk, you can see right here you have one cover. And this cover you just need to pull it out. Now we need to locate fuse number 34 and 35. 34 is for the driver's seat, 35 for the passenger seat heater. And you can see in our case, 34, 35. Those are the fuses for us. 15M fuses, 34 and 35. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Please guys, subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button, like, and see you next time.